Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be working on the 240 and we're going to get started on the subframe. Today we're going to get these 4 polyurethane bushings for the subframe and then the solid bushings for the differential. So with that being said, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and install the 4 polyurethane bushings, and if you guys want like a stock ride height, you'll want to install it like this with the taller end on the top. But we're gonna try to do the 10 millimeters of roll correction, so we're gonna install it like this with the shorter end on top because this top end sits on the subframe. So we're gonna go ahead and install it like this. Alright guys, right now I'm gonna install these metal bushings for the differential, and I'm gonna just press them in right now. We stuck them in the freezer just so they can contract a little bit. So yeah, let's go ahead and install them.
Hey guys, it's voiceover me, and I just wanted to say that this process was very difficult. Even though we stuck the metal bushings inside the freezer, it was very hard to get the bushings pressed in. So we used a homemade press, which was basically a really long bolt and a nut on the other end with a bunch of spacers. So we used that to press in the metal bushing. So with a lot of patience and elbow grease, we finally got both of those bushings in, and you'll see the final results right here. Alright you guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. If you guys did like it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.